आपकी डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट होगी 5 सेकंड बाद। थ्री, टू, वन, स्टार्ट। सर, as we all know, the rural population still constitutes the backbone of our society, of our economy, of our political system. We all know that 70% of the population still sustains on agriculture. Therefore, the Ministry of Agriculture has a great responsibility to discharge, a great expectation to fulfill, and a great obligation to meet. Among these several activities which the Ministry of Agriculture is undertaking, one important area of its operation is rural development, to which I think we should now pay greater and greater attention. There was a time when we thought that mere increase in agricultural production will solve all our problems of poverty, but that is not coming true. There was a time when we thought that mere extension of new technology to agriculture will solve all our problems of the regeneration of rural society, but it has not come to be true. There was a time when we thought that by having some big projects in some rural areas and by some physical development of villages, we will solve a number of our fundamental problems, but it has not come to be true. I therefore want to plead with the Agriculture Ministry that it is time when they give topmost priority to the rural development program, because agriculture in this country is not just a productive machine, it is a way of life, it is integrated, it is inseparable from all aspects of life. Therefore, considering agriculture as a mere production mechanism will not help the development of our rural society. As you know, sir, the problem of poverty is in fact rising, and several honorable members brought out the point that the number of persons below the poverty line are increasing. We cannot hope to solve this grave problem unless we have a very powerful, very effective countrywide rural development program with active and massive involvement of the people. Now, our experience of the past, particularly of the community development projects, has been ample evidence that a ready-made dish given to the rural people does not work. A program merely launched, run and managed by bureaucracy or by officers will not be successful. We must learn a lesson from how the community development program has failed. It is admitted beyond doubt. The report of the ministry itself admits that there is no involvement of the people. This was revealed in the conference of the state ministries of agriculture. This is an important point. I am glad that the ministry has admitted it, but I am rather surprised that this is not carried further by suggesting effective measures that would remove this very serious gap between the people and the administration we have been experiencing so far. Now, if we take rural development as our goal, for which I think the agriculture ministry is primarily responsible, we should concentrate all its energies. If we are not able to develop agriculture, the people will starve. and the country will not become self-sufficient. आप सभी को इसकी PDF हमारे WhatsApp और Telegram ग्रुप पर मिलेगी।